Okay.
Let's go.
See, so this is part 2 for the rabbit repair.
Yeah.
And
His foot is not going to be fixable.
yeah,
At least not now. Not until we can find some sort of gear. I guess I could keep that one out. In case I find one like that.
Yeah, remember this like gear, the bottom part, it was like chipped a little bit.
Just ground down, yeah.
Yeah, we took the pig's motor apart again because he maybe could have caught a fire at one point. And he's definitely probably not fixable, so. And the motor's not because he would move non-stop.
The green screwdriver, please.
Oh, this.
Yes. But the pig's gears are too big.
Yeah, we found one that was this shape. It was a black gear, but it was too big. Yeah, too big. So today we're gonna see
Take the
if we
ears
can.
apart.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we can figure out something about the ears. Got my
So
friend
we can
Froggy
go
here.
ahead and put this part back together. Because that's all the way up here. So I'm going to go put this on.
Yeah, usually like singing toys have, like when you open up that shell part, you're gonna see like a whole bunch of like gears in there or like another motor. And why is his foot stuck down?
Because we took that gear out, so it's just going to be flopping around.
But the bunny, when we took his shell part, I was like, wow, he's mostly hollow. Yeah, it was a bit of a surprise to me when I first looked inside.
Why did I have an extra screw? One of those the wrong size. This one.
A little bit of technical screw-a-tootsies.
No, I don't put that short one doesn't go in there.
Well, it's not technical difficulties because nothing's wrong with the camera. Oh, we forgot to
Put that back on.
I forgot to turn the light on.
Oh.
There we go. Turn my little camera stand. That still opens.
Gotta put this piece back in there.
Oh. Oh, is that like what holds the foot up or something?
It must be, yeah.
Yeah, because I was gonna say, I think it's safe to say that's gonna be harder to put the fabric on with that foot down than it was to hold it up. It was to take the fabric off. The video's already been 3 minutes. It's popping my ear. Whenever I like swallow, my ear pops. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it. Probably
Well,
not.
I'm
But
sure
just
they
so
can
you know.
hear it.
Huh?
So I doubt they can hear it.
Yeah. It's just like a little pop. If you heard it, that's the inside of my
Wait a
ear.
minute, so this... Oh, I see.
Ooh.
How does that work?
I don't know.
Goes on this. Was it on the outside? Oh.
Meringue.
That's
Oh, the battery fell out.
alright, I don't need it in there right now.
And without the
Playing
sound
it.
effects, this is what it sounds like.
Oh,
I'm
I
not sure if
see.
you can hear it. It just kind of goes like, bring, bring, bring. What's crazy is that I haven't even like watched the whole like Bunny Rabbit Repair Part 1 yet.
I
I
haven't.
just watched a little bit of it, like half of it,
I
because
see.
it was so long.
There, that'll keep it on.
Now it's
I have to take
staying
these
up.
back out. It goes on the outside. That's what that little screw is for.
Let's see. See, yeah, let's get that screwed all in, and then I think we should test them to see if the sound is still working okay.
Yeah, once I get all this put back together, we can
I
test
mean,
them again if you want.
last time I checked, the sound was working fine on here, but we haven't seen my viewers since last time when we glued the speaker back in. So they probably don't even know if it works yet. But I did just tell them it works.
Yeah,
See, let's put that one battery back in.
I will. Let me put them back together first.
Okay. Yeah, let's screw his butt back on. Well, I think he's trying to poop out some batteries.
No, he's not.
If the battery pack is at the bottom, that does technically mean that they're trying to poop out batteries.
No, that's just where they are, bud.
Pooping out batteries. They fall out on the bottom. Pooping out batteries. And I've noticed when I've rewatched my repair videos, I mean even on just like
Oh, the
on
light
this
went
one,
off.
I've noticed I just like kind of walk back and forth,
Yep,
just-
you do.
like saying things.
Yep. It's not snapped in
And it's
right.
kind of just like slowly. What's in my head, it's just like what's going on over here. And then what's going on over here. Ooh, I don't want to miss out over here. Over here. Ah! No, I did not actually fall. I was just acting.
Does not want to go back together right.
When I fell out of the frame of the camera, I just stopped myself on the ground with my hand, and that's kind of what the slap sound was.
It's being difficult.
Can they fix it? Hello. Subscribe to Eli's Imagination Stations. Or else.
Oh, maybe those are in the way. There we go.
I only have one channel, Froggy. I know that. You said subscribe to Eli's Imagination Stations. I don't have more than one station. I don't have a station. That's just the name of my channel.
Come on.
YouTube actually almost did not let me use that name for my channel
Yeah.
because a lot of other people apparently have that exact same
Is that upside down, maybe?
title. Maybe the battery pack is put in there like backwards, maybe?
Yeah, maybe I got it upside down. Because it did not want
Well,
to
we're gonna find out.
Yep, that's what it was.
It was upside down?
Well, maybe not.
Or not?
That's still ain't going in. There we go. Yeah, it was upside down.
I'm a two-hand, double-headed eyeball monster. I'm sure some of the viewers are just like, in a lot of my other videos are just like, what the heck are you doing? Sometimes when I rewatch my videos, even I don't remember what I was trying to be or do,
Oh, you know.
or what kind of life I used to have. Like 15 minutes ago when we just posted this video. See, I haven't ever, oh no, battery's dying.
Don't plug it in. You want to pause it? I can go get the cord.
Sorry guys, we'll be right back. Daddy needs to get the extension cord for my phone. Okay, sorry about that. My phone got at 15%, so we had to plug it in.
Screw's not going
Is it the wrong screw again?
in. No, that's the right one. That one was in there. It's not catching.
Hello, I'm at father's. Oh my gosh. And even I wear glasses sometimes, and he's like, oh my gosh, you're making my eyes water.
Okay, we can push the button now and see what happens.
Come on, all you rabbits, let's rock.
He goes for a long time. So let's take this apart and see if we can figure out what to
You're
do.
gonna
here.
check the ears now?
Yeah.
While you're doing that, I wanna see if I can. Okay, maybe not. I was gonna say I'm gonna try to get the plastic out of those springs, but nah, I'm not strong enough for that. They're too springy, boingy, and arting.
Yeah, I'm not sure I'm gonna get those out. We'll
Yeah, we
figure
may just actually have to just glue it on there with that part on there.
Oop. There's that screw.
Oh.
There's the other one.
I forgot to do the. If we're gonna do a part 3 on this, at least this time I was
I
gonna.
shouldn't have put this back together, I guess.
What?
Or no, this piece wasn't connected to that, so.
Jeez.
How is this gonna come out?
I don't know. These things aren't usually designed to be repaired.
Yeah, they're not really designed to come apart, that's for sure.
The video's already been 14 minutes.
Yeah. Ain't even opened
Because,
up these yet.
Usually, what you're supposed to do with these is
So there's one, there's the other.
usually what you're supposed to do
Is what?
is what you're supposed to do once they break. You're probably supposed to just throw them away.
Yeah, probably. That's what most people do, I'm sure.
Mhm.
Or they bring them to Goodwill. and
Yeah.
Somebody buys them. Like you.
Yeah. And we fix them.
We.
You. Does that make you feel better?
I was just saying.
grass inside of your toolbox?
This is the hardest one we have ever had.
Harder than a frog even?
Much harder than any one we ever had. The screws don't like coming out.
Okay, I just got this random idea. I for some reason want to name all the repairs that we have done.
We already have names in all the videos, bud.
Huh?
We already have names in all the videos.
No, I mean like I want to like.
Oh, that little piece just broke off too. I'm trying to hold it to get these screws out. They're so
What I mean is like
really tight.
I'm gonna count how many repairs we've done. See, we've done the Santa, the frog, the fox, the pig, the one that was on video, and the pig we did a long time ago, which I'm not gonna count that one. And the bunny we're doing now. And
We did the
purp-
blue guy,
the
right?
purple monster, yeah, the blue monster. I think that's all of them.
That's all of them.
So that's 7 repairs that we've done on video. And the 8th one, this is a repair video that'll be coming soon. We will be doing Olaf next. I got him from Goodwill. The only thing he does is that, believe it or not, even though I mean this one didn't work at all at the beginning, and neither did the Olaf, but somehow they're both completely broken, but the Olaf works better. Do you know how that is? Because Rabbit didn't do anything at all at the beginning. And the Olaf is just kind of making like a little like. It sounds like a very quiet, subtle hiccup whenever you press the button. Oh my gosh. I just noticed something about the Olaf too. His like trigger button is on his like snowman button. Like his coal buttons. That's like it's his trigger button is the middle button. What is maybe claimed as Olaf's
This one's
belly
got a lot
button.
of screws in it.
I just noticed something. Olaf has 3 belly buttons.
Yeah? What's wrong with that? Well, they're not belly buttons, they're just buttons, right? Like a snowman has
But
a
they're
little piece
buttons.
of coal for buttons.
They're buttons that are on his belly.
Yeah?
Doesn't that claim it as a belly button?
Maybe he's got a white coat on, and those are his buttons to keep it together.
I really
Alright.
doubt that. Watch this, guys.
See how. Oh, and if this comes
Can you move
apart.
your head, Daddy?
No. What? What? I don't know where you are.
Right here.
No.
Okay,
Where's
no
all the
magic.
screws?
I'm just a regular, boring person. When I was behind Daddy, I was actually kind of going down. I'm not sure if you guys could see that. I couldn't actually see the camera.
Oh. So this one's really busted.
That one's really busted.
Yeah. Let's see how this one is.
Oh my gosh, I just noticed how many screws there is.
Yeah,
Corrosion.
It's got, no, that's that gunk. So when it goes, it spins that. Where's his button? See? The ear is attached there, and that's what makes it go back and forth. On this
He just
side,
stopped on his own.
yeah, he did. This one doesn't have the thing. This piece is busted.
Yeah, and it does it on both ends.
So this piece is okay.
So I'm thinking maybe like the
Greasy stuff we'll
placements
put
of
on
like the gears or those little like plastic bits are placed in a different place than the other one
No,
because
this one's just busted. So
the ears are supposed to like move one in front of the other. Like I said on the other part 1 video, it's just like walking one foot in front of the other.
you're talking about this, or are you talking about
Yes.
something else? Okay.
I am. Yeah, like whenever this ear moves forward, the other one moves back. Whenever this ear moves forward, this one moves back. It does
So
like a
then
little
what
like
goes around
ear
is
flop.
this.
It's easier to do it like this
Jeez,
on two
this
next
one's
to each
really
other
busted
fingers
up.
than like this.
Oh, this is, maybe this is the piece.
Well, I'll get the super glue.
Yeah, get a paper towel too, please.
I was just joking around with the video button. How many?
Just one.
How long is one?
Just one, just pull on it.
I never knew a paper towel was so wide.
Grab the super glue. No, the other drawer, buddy, over there.
I didn't know super glue was also Gorilla Glue.
Yeah, that's what we use, is the Gorilla Glue.
I never knew that a paper towel was so wide. I mean, I'm usually used to them being like this.
Yeah, we
skinny.
normally get the little ones. This is a normal paper towel, but we usually get those small ones.
That's what you call a normal paper towel. Or you're wiping those
Okay,
little, like,
so first,
scooch my chair over. Look, you just got elbow.
we're gonna have to glue this and then wait. Let's see, what can I put under there to hold it up?
Yeah, that's
These two need to glue like this, and then the two of them together need to glue onto here. Where are they broken off? No, it's not like that. It's not like that. It's supposed to look like that one. Calm down.
Just trying to scare one of the viewers. If I scared you, if I scared one of you guys out there watching the video, I'm very sorry. 24 minutes. I feel like this whole video should have been in 2 parts. Ooh.
No, this one's busted up bad. It's gonna take me a long time to figure out how to glue this, buddy, because this is gonna be very difficult. So you might just go ahead and pause it till tomorrow, okay?
Sorry, what?
You weren't listening? I said it's gonna take me a long time to figure out how to glue this, so why don't you just go ahead and pause it.
Oh, okay. We'll be right back.
And then tomorrow we'll...
Okay, we're gonna try to glue
I
it.
gotta figure out how it glues. I just don't know if it's gonna stick.
Yeah.
If it does, it probably won't stick very long.
Yeah. just like I said, guys, this probably is it probably doesn't help that this is the oldest repair that we have ever done so far. Is my guess.
This one's definitely the most broken one we've ever had.
Definitely most broken.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure if one of those other ones were older than this one.
Yeah.
He's from 2005.
Yeah, you probably have some that are that old. They just weren't in this bad a shape.
But I have a couple of singing toys that are technically older than
Trying
this
not
one.
to super glue my fingers together too.
You're trying to super glue your fingers
I said
together?
I'm trying not to super glue my fingers together.
I didn't hear the knot in there. That
Definitely don't want to do that.
I would not recommend that. Yes. The weird thing is I have a bouncing Tigger one. Know that little bouncing Tigger one I have?
Yeah.
I think he's from 1998
Mm.
is what that one was from. And he fully works.
Yeah.
Like,
I just took care of that one pretty good. That's all.
mhm. When we first put batteries in him, he was having a little bit of a hard time
Yeah.
because his feet would get stuck down and push his head down,
Mm.
and that's what the trigger is. So it would only go down a little bit; it would just go like this.
Yeah.
I was checking to see if that works. What am I doing?
I don't know. What are you doing?
I'm just kind of moving my legs, but I feel like their view makes it look like I'm twerking. Shake that booty! Yeah, yeah. Go body. There's not the body!
Yeah, that's where that goes.
Why did I let you be in this video? I don't know, because they wanted to see me!
You're blaming Froggy for being hyper.
Speaking of frog, why was that so funny? Speaking of frog, that's another one that I have that's really old. I think this one is my oldest one. Oldest singing toy I have. It is the Christmas frog. It doesn't really do much. It doesn't like move or anything. One from Avon.
Okay.
And I think he was from like 1956 or something. That one was really old. I think
Really old?
Huh?
Really old?
Yes. Definitely one of the oldest ones I have. This is probably the third oldest one I have.
It is.
I think the oldest singing toy I have is the frog.
Oh.
I think the second oldest one I have is Tigger. I'm gonna watch.
You have to find something to shove through there to.
Boring,
Yeah.
boring, boring, boring. Boring, 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 boring. Bouncing's what that hand does best. And then I think this one is my third oldest one. 2005. I mean, I was really surprised to. I mean, even you guys were really surprised to hear the year of him.
There, I got it in there.
But
There.
just knowing that I have a couple of them that are older than that just makes it sound even worse.
Get that piece piece out a little bit.
Oh, you got it out?
A little bit, enough to where I can get some glue on it.